Happy fall, everyone. This is Dave Grime from the Grime team, and with the beautiful fall colors out there, I have a beautiful house to show you today that you might fall in love with. Welcome to 287177 10th Sideroad in gorgeous Mono. Now, this home has a lot to offer, so let's not waste any time. Get down to the top 5 reasons why this home is right for you. Reason number 5 is location, because if you're looking for peace and quiet and privacy, this location can't be beat. 287177 10th Sideroad is located on a quiet dead-end road, steps from the Bruce Trail and the Hockley Valley Provincial Nature Reserve with over 900 acres of beautiful forested terrain. Come and enjoy golf, hiking, cycling, skiing, and everything that Mono Township has to offer. Now to reason number 4. Reason number 4. Reason number 4 is the acreage. 287177 10th Sideroad is situated on a gorgeous 4.99 acres and it backs onto Crown land. The lot boasts plenty of open grassy space for the kids to play, gardens, and many mature trees providing the utmost privacy. And apples as well. The custom home is set well back from the road for even more privacy, and the driveway can accommodate plenty of cars. Now let's hop inside and check out the house. Reason number 3. Next reason is size. 287177 10th Sideroad is a custom designed home with plenty of space to accommodate everyone, with over 4,500 square feet of finished living space. Through the front door, we have a large front living room with bay window for plenty of natural light. This walks through to the formal dining room. The kitchen boasts lots of cupboard space, and the breakfast area walks out to the back deck overlooking the backyard. The cozy family room is also combined with the kitchen. It features a wood stove for those cold winter nights. Now let's move on to reason number 2. Reason number 2. If you have a large family, this home has plenty of bedrooms and bathrooms to accommodate everybody. On the main floor, we have the first 2 bedrooms with ample closet space and a shared bathroom. Upstairs, we have another bedroom and a 4-piece bath, as well as the massive master bedroom with walk-in closet and its own ensuite. So far we have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms above grade, but let's go to the lower level, which brings me to reason number 1. And reason number 1. So downstairs we have yet another 2 bedrooms which should serve as great guest bedrooms. They share another large 4-piece bath. We also have an office, storage areas, laundry facilities, a large rec room with another wood stove, and this is combined with the kitchenette. A fully self-contained living suite down here, you ask? Why, yes it is. And the beauty of it is that we have its own private entrance from the backyard. So this would make an amazing in-law suite or a basement apartment. Well, thanks for watching a video tour of this fine home. Now there's many other features and upgrades that we could go through, but you're gonna have to come take a look for yourself. For more information, pictures, and floor plans, please visit www.28717710sideroad.com. And until next time, it's Dave Grime, signing off.